As you guys can see from this clip, the car probably shouldn't be making this sound. So we've been actually trying to figure out this mysterious sound since I bought the car, and we changed a couple minor things like wheel hub bearings, but the sound is still there, and it seems to be like it might be the drive shaft. So I went ahead and I replaced the drive shaft, which is actually pretty simple of an install. You literally just have to take off the exhaust to expose the drive shaft, change the 4 bolts, and then you can replace the drive shaft. Now we'll go ahead and see if actually the fix. And unfortunately, it did not work. Comment down below if you guys have an idea what you think that may be making this sound.